Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have accounts and a target OU. Now open the Group Policy Management console on a domain-joined admin workstation. Once open, expand your forest and domain to locate the OU where policy will apply. Right-click the Group Policy Objects container and choose New to create a blank GPO. Name it with a concise, purpose-based label. Make sure to document the owner and change window. These first steps establish the object and prevent confusion later when linking and editing the policy. With the new GPO created, right-click it and choose Edit to launch the Group Policy Management Editor. Navigate between computer configuration and user configuration and configure administrative templates, security settings, or scripts as required. Pick specific settings rather than broad sweeps to reduce risk. If you need targeted application, add a WMI filter or adjust security filtering to apply only to certain groups or computers. Once done, close the editor and verify no conflicting settings exist by checking precedence and inheritance. Link the GPO to your chosen OU and decide whether to enforce it or block inheritance where necessary. After linking, run a controlled pilot. Pick a few test machines or users, force policy with jeepupdate/force, and verify settings apply using jeepresult/r or the resultant set of policy tool. Make sure to check event logs for errors and confirm that security filtering and loopback processing are not unintentionally blocking the GPO. If something fails, use
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.